Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain the names and functions of external and internal organs of the human body in a simple way. First, let's talk about external organs. The parts we can see from outside. Okay. The first one is head. If you look at the function of head, it holds the brain, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. It controls all body activities through the brain. Next, eyes. We use our eyes to see the world around us, colors, shapes, and movements. Next, ears. Ears help us to hear sounds. They also help in balancing our body. Nose. We use the nose to smell things and also to breathe air. Next, mouth. If you look at the function of mouth, we use our mouth to eat food, speak, and breathe. It contains teeth and tongue. Tongue. The tongue helps us to taste food and to speak clearly. Teeth. Function of teeth. Teeth help in chewing and breaking food into smaller pieces for digestion. Neck. The neck supports the head and connects it to the rest of the body. It helps in movements. Okay, next, hands includes arms, elbows, fingers, and palms. So, function of hands. Hands are used for holding, lifting, writing, and eating, doing many daily activities. Next, legs include thighs, knees, feet, and toes. Function of legs. Legs help us to walk, run, jump, and move from one place to another. Skin. Skin is the largest organ of the body. It covers and protects all body parts. It helps to feel touch, hot, cold, and pain. Now let's talk about the internal organs. These are the parts inside our body which we cannot see from outside, but they are very important for our life and health. Okay, so the first one is brain. The brain is the control center of our body. It helps us to think, remember, feel, and control all body parts. Heart. The function of heart. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. It works like a motor and beats non-stop. Lungs. We have two lungs. They help us to breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Stomach. The stomach helps to digest the food we eat. So it breaks food into smaller parts using digestive juice. Next, liver. The liver cleans the blood and helps in digestion by making a juice called bile. Kidneys. Kidneys filter out blood and remove waste through urine. Intestines, small and large. Small intestine absorbs nutrients from food. Large intestine removes waste from the body. Bladder. The bladder stores urine before it goes out the body. Pancreas. Pancreas helps in digestion and controls sugar level in our blood by making insulin. Next, esophagus. Food pipe. So the function of esophagus, it carries food from the mouth to the stomach. So these are the main internal organs in our body. So each organ has a special job and all work together to keep us healthy and alive. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.